How long does it take to become an AGI certified gunsmith? Well, the answer to that is really up to you. The program was designed for you to be able to study at your own pace because everybody's life is different. Some people can spend a lot of time studying and can go through the program quickly. Other people need to take years to go through the program because that's just the limited amount of time that they have available. But if you were really to focus on the course and watch an hour of video a day, you'd be through the entire master level course in well under a year. If you were going through the level 1 course and you wanted to get started quickly and you focused on it, you could be through that entire course in less than 3 months. And if you apply for your federal firearms license, as we suggest right away when you enroll, you'll be able to be gunsmithing by then. So it's really up to you. Again, the program was designed to fit your lifestyle, but we don't leave anything out. And all the information is available to you. And because it's on video, you can review it whenever you need to.